for Accenture, we see three fundamental elements in transforming or getting into that intelligent enterprise. Again, first off, agility and resilience. So we need to create an environment where our people are safe. Again, people similar to other companies, Accenture, our people is our very core. So yes, there's technology, but we do put a high emphasis on our people, and we need to make them feel safe, connected, and seen. So in the new normal, we see physical distancing as a new normal, but definitely not social distancing. So we're still going to connect with our people constantly and just do and prioritize on the physical distancing. I want to also elaborate on the culture of flexible and personalized working arrangement. It's true that since you're working from home, you'll have kids, you'll have dogs, you'll have people around you, and that is their space. You are working in their space. You are not in an Accenture office, so in a sense, we need to adapt to that personalized working arrangement to ensure that we build trust and agility in our people. So we another aspect besides the people is making use of your command centers to manage the impact of COVID-19. So that includes your people, the movement of goods and services around your value chain. So next is you need to rethink your end-to-end value chain. Evaluate your partners. Again, this could be across your organization. You need to lean into your partners uh, and your ecosystem for insight and innovation. Again, you don't have to do, your organization doesn't have to do it all alone. Uh, you need information has always been an important aspect in all organizations. So sharpen insights by connecting to different data across your organization and try to consider identifying new data streams because your conventional ways of getting information will now fail in the new normal. Lastly, try to reimagine the ways we work together and partner. Again, if your current partners are not aligned with your strategy in the next coming months, years, as we build that resiliency with the current situation right now, this is a good time to build those new partnerships so that these partners, again, referencing to Ramco as Accenture's partner, to drive that innovation within our organization. And we need to leverage on analytics to manage our demand and supply, and as well as our overall productivity.